slide. Okay, Barmani, are you able to see this image slide?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very
Yes, sir.
important. Very important. I think you can call it as a rotary actuators. Okay. A Schwarz plate piston motor. Oh, just in the this slide diagram is there. First, I would like to explain the components of the this piston motor. Then after that, I will explain the theory part. Then I explain that I have a video. I will show the video. Okay. The first thing is you can able to see here a rotating drum is there. Whatever the you can able to see here. Okay, blue color. You can this we call as a drum. Whatever the cylinder in piston cylinder we call as a cylinder block. Okay. Instead of that you can call it as here a rotating barrel. Okay. Here intake is there. Okay, see here piston is there. These two are pistons. Okay, this is for the simple diagram. Okay, not here only you can able to see two pistons. Okay, you can connect 4 6 also, no problem. Okay, okay, so just you have to understand this diagram. Here intake is there, here discharge or outlet. Okay, inlet or outlet, okay, intake or discharge. Okay, these two are piston. Okay, and this is we call the port plate. Okay, this whatever the port, inlet port and outlet port are there. On this is actually swash plate. So this is actually whatever you can able to see here, unstable. Okay, you can able to see here the whatever the orange color is there, no? This is we called as a swash plate. Okay, and I would like to explain the theory part, how it going to be actually work. Okay, so in this diagram you can able to see here. So swash plate is having some angle. What is swash plate? The first, before discussing the concept, we need to understand what is the meaning of swash plate. Swash plate, an inclined disc. This is a plate or disc. You can call it as a plate or disc that is having a inclined. In the sense, it is having some angle. Okay, if I'm having angle means it is a 30 degree or 40 whatever. It's not constantly how much degree you want to fix it. That according to application you can tilt it, because it is having an inclined disc revolving. Then also it is having inclined, and it also start revolving on an axle and giving, okay, reciprocating motion to a part in contact with each other. What will happen? It is going to be continuously, that plate is rotating. Okay, that plate is rotating, revolving. Okay, then it is having some angle. This is we call as a swash plate. See here, this is actually swash plate. It is inclined, it is having some angle. Okay, between here to here. Okay, then this is also rotating part. Okay, then one more thing, if before discussing the what we call working principle and seeing that why we are using, what is the application for that swash plate piston motor, this is very important. Okay, see here, for your more understanding purpose, I think clear picture purpose, I brought this point and all. Mechanical device. So this is actually whatever the swash plate piston motor is there, no? This is actually a mechanical device. Translate the motion of rotating shaft into a reciprocating motion. Okay, see here, very important. What we are doing in the past class only, we are discussing the transmission of power. Okay, here the translate the motion of rotating shaft into a reciprocating motion. Rotating means it is in the circular. Okay, it is 360. Reciprocating means whatever into the reciprocating, to and fro, means it is moving the up and down, vertical. Okay, no, not vertical, horizontal. Okay, this whatever this main application of the swash plate is going to be a converting or translating the motion of rotating shaft into a reciprocating motion. I hope you clear this also. And second point is working principle. Whatever the swash plate piston motor working principle is there, no, it is exactly means swash plate is act as a crankshaft. How the in engine parts, engine components, we are going to study in the already in the previous semesters and all. We know that crankshaft will be there, connecting rod will be there, piston is there, cylinder is, gudgeon pin is there, camshaft will, everything we know that. Okay, these are the engine parts. But as a how the crankshaft is going to be act in the engine, so swash plate is act as a here the in the piston motors. Okay, and third point is most popularly used in, so whatever the swash plate piston motor is there, no, the most popular application is that crankless engines. So we are not using the crankshaft in that. So in that engines also we could use it as a crankless engine. We are going to use the swash plate piston motor. So these are the main points. Then how it going to work actually? Okay, you can able to see the here drum is there. Okay, swash plate is there. What will happen here? This is rotating 360. The drum is rotating 360. The what will happen? Automatically the swash plate is also start rotating 360. Okay, that is there is no change in the angle. Okay, as per the how you going to fix the initially, that is fixed. But thing is that rotation will be there, which will along with the rotating barrel, the swash plate is also rotating. What will happen here? Upper portion will comes down and lower portion will go. Means this process will be continue. Means it is inlet and outlet. Means it is take the when the swash plate in this position, the piston will moves from this end to the left end to the right end. Okay, what will happen? It will be this is we call as the intake means it is sucking. Okay, it is intake. Okay, fluid going to be inside the in the intake stroke. Okay, you can call it the stroke as no problem. In this what will happen here? The swash plate is having the angle, so this piston will slightly moving, means it is going to be a pushing. Okay, it is a discharging. This is intaking, this is discharging. When the swash plate is moving around the continuously, this process will be intake discharge continuously will be there. So for your more understanding purpose, I would like to share one video I have having. Okay, so that video I will share, then you will understand better. Again I am playing 1 minute today is there. Again I am playing one more time. Hello Barmani. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Are you understanding clearly the swash plate piston motor?
Yes,
Hello.
sir. Yes, sir.
Are you understanding that clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Because means examination point of view, these are the very important. One more concept is there. Okay. you can able to see the slide here. Bent axis piston motor. Okay, even application same only, even everything is same, but thing is that design is changed, because in that plate, whatever the swash plate is there, that is having some inclined angle, pistons are straight. Okay, here pistons are bent, plate is vertical, means there is no any angle between the whatever the plate is going to be connected, no, that is no, that is not a angle, because understanding, you know, the difference between these two, everything is both
Yes,
are
sir.
same. Piston is here going to be bend in direction moving, then whatever the plate is there, no, that is a vertical. I will show a video, then you will understand better that. Okay.
दोघांनी दिले म्हणून पहिला.
Hello. Hello, Barmani.
Yes, sir.
I think I hope you understand both the videos.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Difference is that thing is that whatever the swash plate is having a certain angle. Okay, that is actually we call as a swash plate piston motor. Okay, the pistons are straight, the plate is inclined. Here bent axis piston motor, the pistons are bent, the plate is straight, means vertically we fix it. There is don't have any angle. Okay, sir, no, it is a vertical position. Okay, so that whatever that pistons is going to be bent. I think working principle applications are same only. Okay, whatever the splash plate is there, that only. Okay, I hope I think maximum percentage all the syllabus going to be covered. Okay, I am going to be end this model. Okay, hydraulic model, hydraulics and pneumatics, pumps, motors. We are going to study the different. I think different class, more than 7 to 8 classes we taken this model. So I finished. Okay, if at all any doubts are there, anything will be there, any queries are there. Okay, please contact me, Barmani. Okay. Hello. Hello, Barmani. Hello. Hello, Barmani. Hello, Barmani.